Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change web page text size in Samsung Internet. So if you want to increase web page text size of font in your Samsung Internet, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to change web page text size in Samsung Internet is go ahead and open the Samsung Internet browser. Click on the menu icon at the bottom right, then select settings. Once you selected settings, scroll down to web page view and scroll in. Here, locate web page text size. And if this is set to 100% and you want to increase it, just drag it to whatever you want to increase it to. Then go back to the web page, and on the web page you see the text size increased. Now to reduce the text size, you can also come here, click on the menu, click on text size, and then reduce it here. So is that you go through the settings page, or you go through the menu page and then select text size. Once you click on text size, you can now increase the text size or reduce the text size. The maximum you can increase the text size to is 200%, and then the minimum is 50%. So then once you're done, go ahead and click on OK, and then you're good. So that is basically how to change text size in Samsung Internet. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.